what? Creativity will get you. Curls on point, and my color is popping. I'm Stacey Pulliam, CEO of DyeVerCity Salon. DyeVerCity is your one-stop shop for all things women. We've got you covered with your hair, skin, and makeup, but in addition to that, we offer women empowerment seminars. That's right. At the end of the day, I'm a businesswoman, a wife, and a mom. I get it. Women want one place for everything. So, follow me. Let's take a tour into DyeVerCity. At DyeVerCity Salon, we have taken the time to research every product, ensuring they are free of carcinogens. Come sit in our chair and be pampered in luxury. Have a big event or photo shoot? DyeVerCity can make you look like royalty. Our name says it all. We cater to every woman. We host events on topics for every stage of a woman's life. But that's not all. It's important to us that women have video demos they can reference from the comfort of their own home. If you can't join us for our in-house conferences and educational seminars, check out our YouTube channel so you can get caught up on the latest and greatest in all things beauty, health, fitness, and family. So now that you know DyeVerCity really is your one-stop shop for all things women, what are you waiting on? Call us today. Schedule your appointment. Now is the time to shake things up a bit. Get the color you've been dreaming of. DyeVerCity isn't your average salon. We value what is most important to you and recognize beauty is more than skin deep. Give us a call. 706-922-8759. Choose DyeVerCity, your one-stop shop for all things woman.